So I wanted to show you how to get a Python website published in just about 2 minutes, and you can even do this from your mobile phone. Here is what you need to do. You need to go to pythonanywhere.com, which gives you a place in a server to have your Python website published. You need to create a free account, so it's free. Once you create that, log in, and then you're going to see this menu here, consoles, files, web, tasks, databases. You want to go to web, and you want to go to add a new web app. Then scroll down. So under the free account, you can create one web app with Python Anywhere. If you pay around $5 and maybe more, you can create more. Now, these are Python web frameworks. So you can build websites with any of them. Django, Flask. Flask is a very popular one. If you want to create small to medium web apps, websites, then you want to choose Flask. So I'm going to choose Flask. We want to pick a Python interpreter, which is going to run the Python code to create that website. Let's pick the latest one, 3.13. And now this is going to be the path to the server where your website files are located. And this is the main file, so the main Python file. Click on next, and the website is live in just 1 minute. So the URL is this one here. You can click that, and it will take you to the website. Now, of course, this is just some plain text, hello from Flask, but you have a domain here, and you can customize this website by going to Files, going to my site. You saw that that path that was on the screen a minute ago. So that was my site, flask_app.py. If you click here, you're going to see the code of your web app. So Python Anywhere created this sample web app, very minimal one. It just returns hello Flask, but you can write some text here. And you can even write HTML here, so to make your website more rich. But there are tutorials on Flask if you want to build a really good website. And you can add other files here. You can add a templates file, templates directory, sorry. That directory will be added here, and then inside that you can add HTML files and also CSS, so you can build a complete rich website. But in this video I just wanted to show you how to get your website published, so with Python Anywhere. And again, this is your domain name for this website, but you can have your own custom domain name, ardit.com for example, but you have to pay for a paid plan on Python Anywhere. I think this is good for start. Also, this will be stopped after 3 months, but you get an email, and then you can reload the website, and then it will go for another 3 months. So this is under the free account again. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for following. See you.